Hello and welcome to this lesson. We are looking at volume of cylinders. Yeah, volume of a cylinder, this lesson. Okay, so here's a question. The radius of the end of a cylinder is this, the length is this. Work out the volume. Okay, so the formula for finding volume of a cylinder, volume is pi r squared h, pi r squared h. Okay, in this lesson we are going to take pi as 3.142. So pi equals 3.142. That was the instruction from where I got the question from. Okay, so now we're going to substitute the values that we have. But what do we have? We have the radius r. So r is 5 centimeters. When you're answering a question like this, it's best to list out what you have and then substitute. Okay, we have the height, which is h. We have that as 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters, and that's the height of the cylinder. Okay, now we substitute. So V will be, we are told to use 3.142, so it's going to be 3.142 times the radius is 5, so 5 squared, and the height is 15 times 15. If you use a calculator to work that out, you will get 1178.25. But we're told to round our answer to 3 significant figures here. Okay, so that'll be 1, 2, 3. So here's the third number. So we are rounding this one. So that number becomes an 8. So it will be 1180. Now don't forget the units. The centimeters cubed. Yeah, the units might cost you 1 mark in the exam, so be careful of that. Okay, let's try another example. In this example, we're looking for the height. So let's call the formula again. It's best you call the formula every time. So the volume V is pi r squared h. Okay, but we are told to calculate the height of the can. Okay, and we are rounding to 1 decimal place. Don't forget to list the important points in the question. We are given the volume and we are given the radius. The common error, common mistake from students is not looking at the diagram or the instruction, if it's the radius or the diameter, so watch out for that. So if we're looking for the height, we make h the subject, so h will be the volume divided by pi r squared h. Pi r squared h. When I did this question in class, the common error was students now getting rid of the pi r squared to the other side. Someone thinking it was square root and things like that. So be careful. For you to be able to do this, you have to be able to rearrange formulae. There's another video on that. Watch out for it. Okay. So now we can substitute. So we know. So if we go this way now, We know that our volume is 2000. And we're using pi. We're using pi straight away this time. We're not told to use 3.4 in this question. And then, oh sorry, the height should have been taken off here. Should be pi r squared. Pi r squared. Sorry about that, because we're looking for just the height. Okay, so we can have height again there. We're only getting rid of this. Okay, so I have pi times 6 squared, because the radius is 6. And if you put that in your calculator, you will get 17.168 and so on. Yeah, we're rounding to one decimal place, so it should be 17.7 centimeters. Don't forget to include your units. That's very important, like I said before. So here is a standard exam question. Don't forget to read the question carefully and then just substitute your values. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.